because the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi has overruled the decision taken by the Delhi Chief Minister. Delhi hospitals will be open for everyone. The hospitals will be allowed to treat everyone. Remember, the Delhi government took a controversial decision wherein it decided that all COVID hospitals in Delhi, private hospitals as well as government facilities, will be open only for the residents of Delhi. This excluded hospitals run by the central government. The Lieutenant Governor of Delhi has now overruled the Delhi Chief Minister's decision, and Delhi hospitals will in fact be treating everyone. So that's the big breaking story that is coming in on the broadcast. It's an important story, concerns every single citizen across the country who wishes to get treatment at any of the Delhi hospitals. The Delhi Chief Minister had said that there aren't enough beds for the people of Delhi. So citing a paucity of beds in anticipation of the rising number of cases, the Delhi Chief Minister announced a decision that all Delhi COVID hospitals will be restricted and reserved for the use of residents of Delhi. That's a decision that has now been overruled by the Lieutenant Governor. The LG has come out and said that Delhi hospitals will be open to one and all. My colleague Sukirti Dwivedi, tracking the breaking details of the story, is joining us on the broadcast. Sukirti, what more can you tell us?
Well, yes, this is a very important decision that has come now from the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi, overturning this big decision by the Delhi Chief Minister that had caused a lot of furor, not only from the opposition, from the general public as well. Now the governor's decision says that the right to health is an integral part of right to life as per the provisions that have been laid down under in our constitution, and because of that, such medical treatment cannot be denied to any person just on the basis of where they reside. And they have categorically mentioned that from now on, nobody will be denied any kind of medical treatment based on their residence. This is a big decision because Mr. Kejriwal had said that it was the public of Delhi, at least 90% people of Delhi gave him this feedback that hospitals in Delhi should be reserved only for Delhi residents, because by the end of June, Delhi would need about 15,000 hospital beds, and already there's a shortage that has been happening, and they've been taking steps they've been taking action even against private hospitals because people have been window shopping for beds. So various kind of allegations have been coming in from the Delhi government, and they had been citing how if they keep letting people from in the NCR region as well into Delhi, because Delhi has much better health facilities and also much cheaper health facilities at Delhi government hospitals, then all of those facilities would be taken by these NCR region, mostly residents of the NCR region, and that is why Delhi residents will continue to suffer. So a lot of justification had come from the Chief Minister himself that it's the Delhi residents who've been demanding all of this. Also a very detailed list of all the documents that people would have had to supply if the decision taken by him had been implemented: voter ID, Aadhaar card, or electricity or a bank account passbook, electricity bill or a bank account passbook that states that your address currently is in Delhi. All of those rules had been laid down, and people had been pointing out that a lot of people, in cases they may be Delhi residents, but their parents are not residents of Delhi, how will they be able to obtain treatment for their parents who are senior citizens? So a lot of controversy had been coming in, but now a big relief for anybody living in Noida or Gurgaon. A lot of those people come to Delhi for treatment, but they will now be able to obtain the medical treatment, and they will not be denied it just on the basis that they are not Delhi residents. Over to you.
Well, absolutely, Sukirti. It's a huge relief, not just for residents of the National Capital Region, but also for people who come from far-flung rural areas, all the way to Delhi to seek medical treatment. Now, it's interesting because this order that we're putting out on our screens very categorically mentions that the Delhi government order is in violation of the right to health and the right to life, and therefore, it is being revoked. But break it down for our viewers, Sukirti. We always knew that, given the fact that Delhi is not a full state, these orders would be subject to, LG clearance. Clearly, the Delhi Chief Minister and the Lieutenant Governor were not on the same page, which is why an order was pronounced and is now being overruled.
Well, yes, Rishika, if we go down into the history of how many times the Chief Minister and the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi have differed on issues, there's a long history to it. There are several decisions that have been controversial, and we've also seen seen protests to the extent of the Chief Minister actually staying at the LG's office for 7 days and carrying out a protest and a strike because citing that the orders laid by him are not being approved by the Lieutenant Governor. So all of that history we've already been witnessing over the years. But in the last few days, at least as far as this pandemic is concerned, the two had been carrying out a lot of meetings together, Mr. Kejriwal as well as Lieutenant Governor Anil Baijal, and the two had been on the same page. We've seen different meetings of the State Disaster Management Authority, of which the LG is the chair and the Chief Minister is the co-chair. The SDMA has been taking a lot of crucial decisions, and most of them have been in line with each other. We've not been seeing differences, and the Chief Minister has also constantly reiterated that this is the time to not really bicker over issues or be political about it, but one has to think of what is in the best interest of people, and that is why even when he came out with this decision, he kept citing that it was the public of Delhi, in fact 90% public of Delhi, that gave him the feedback that they were the ones who have been demanding that the hospital beds should be reserved for Delhi residents and not for people who are coming from other areas. So all of that had been cited. But of course, we are now seeing that the Lieutenant Governor has taken different factors as well into consideration, and something as basic as the fact that our constitution states that the right to health is a very basic right to life, and you cannot deny it to somebody on something as trivial as where you reside. And like you also rightly mentioned, that it's not just about NCR region people, but many coming out from far-flung states as well, because Delhi has top-notch health facilities, and for a lot of people, it's the first option that comes to their mind when they are seeking medical treatment.
All right, Sukirti, big story that we are in fact tracking. The Delhi Lieutenant Governor overrules the Aam Aadmi Party government decision to reserve state-run hospitals for the residents of Delhi. The hospitals will now be yet again opened up to anyone from any part of the country who wishes to access healthcare services in the national capital.